Yeah, maybe it doesn't need anything else. Maybe it's supposed to be like a thick, you know, soup. So I'm not going to add anything because I don't want to mess it up. But this is what it looks like. I did taste it. It tastes pretty good too. And I haven't even let it simmer. And see what you do. You put your, well, Paula Deen recipe, she used green chilies. I don't have any. I did use Rotel, and I do have some more Rotel. So I could add another can of Rotel to it. But I like it the way it is. I don't want it to be so tomatoey that you can't taste the beans. Because, you know, if you find a dish to have a lot of beans, it's a healthy, hearty dish. So I'm going to just let this cook. Because you're going to put, we're going to eat it with our tortilla chips. Remember that big bag of chips I got for $1.99? We're going to eat it with that. And I'm going to have sour cream. I'm going to cut up some cilantro, some green onion. And I got some Mexican shredded Kraft cheese I need to go and take out of the freezer right now. So we're going to let this cook, simmer for a while. And I think it's going to be okay. A quick dish that you can make after a long day at work. I actually got off work earlier today. My son had a dentist appointment to get his teeth cleaned. Then he had an ortho appointment. So I left work early. But anyway, this is what it looks like. We're going to just let this simmer. And I will be back. Thank you for staying with me. I'll be back.